friends! Today I'm going to share an amazing math magic trick, a secret from Vedic Math.
Vedic Math is a collection of smart math tricks that help us calculate faster.
Fast math tricks. I am going to share a math trick to find the complement of a number in just a few seconds. The trick or the magic rule is called all from 9, last from 10. Don't worry, it's super easy. A complement is a special number that helps us reach a base, like 10, 100, or 1000. Remember this magic rule. Subtract the last digit from 10. Subtract all other digits from 9. Only 2 easy rules to remember. Other digits from 9, last digit from 10. Let's find the complement of 743. The last digit is 3. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Now subtract 4 from 9. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Now subtract 7 from 9. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Our answer is 257. When the last digit is 0, we bring it down and continue the rule. Let's remember the magic rule. Last digit from 10. Other digits from 9. 0 comes straight down. Great job! Now you're a Vedic Math star. Keep practicing and amaze your friends. Surprise everyone with your speedy calculations. See you next time!